Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave.
It is this city's privilege to be able to afford to this region's citizens this trail. Thank you to everyone who made this possible, who donated materials, who donated money, and who put their sweat equity into the construction of the trail. Folks, enjoy the trail and have a great trek this morning.
This particular project is a Rails to Trails project. The Surface Transportation Board allows a certain number of corridors of abandoned railway to be turned into trails as an interim use.
Milligan's involvement today is from a volunteer perspective. We provided about 120 of our student athletes and coaches volunteered to do various roles on the trail at the start and at the finish line.
The project itself started about 2002 when the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad abandoned a stretch of railroad of about 10 miles in length between Johnson City and just beyond Elizabethton.
Milligan has had a long historic connection to this Tweetsie Railroad going back many years to when we actually had a train station out on the line that went away several years ago. So we've been real excited that Ted and Charlene Thomas were willing to help build the depot back, essentially where it used to be.
In April of 2011, Johnson City was able to procure this corridor for $600,000. Then in June of 2013, with the railroad out of the picture, this belonging to Johnson City, trail construction began, and you can see that in a span of about 14 or 15 months, we have this wonderful trail between here and Elizabethton, the first 4.5 miles of the corridor. We intend to fully develop the additional 4.5 miles over the course, hopefully, of the next year or two.
We hope that our alumni, friends, and family, when they come in, they'll also use the Tweetsie Trail. The City of Johnson City and the City of Elizabethton and the various individuals have really created a huge resource for this area, and we're glad to be a part of it and support it.